Welcome to Simple Living with Life and Reflection, where we embrace the beauty of simplicity. Today, I'm capturing the charm of my spring garden inside a bath bomb. These DIY pressed flower bath bombs are topped with real pansies of violet and blue, infused with a soft floral scent that blooms in the bath. I use the traditional method of flower pressing with a wooden press. By placing layers of flowers between thin drying papers and sandwiching them between wooden plates, the results are stunning. I press pansies for their color and delicate beauty, but you can use any flower that will press flat and preferably thin. With your pressed flowers ready, it's time to create bath bombs to soothe the skin and find stillness. To get started, place a fine mesh sifter on top of a large mixing bowl. Then sift 1 cup of baking soda for a smooth finish in your bath bombs. Give it a tap. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cologne and clay. This creates a strong bonding factor between the ingredients and makes for very firm, heavy bath bombs. It's often the missing ingredient in homemade bath bombs. Then we'll add 1 cup of citric acid into the mixture. Once sifted, remove the sifter and whisk together the ingredients to remove any remaining clumps. With our dry ingredients ready, we'll begin adding a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Add a fourth a teaspoon of your fragrance blend. You can use a skin-safe fragrance oil or 20 to 25 drops of essential oil. I chose a blend of geranium, jasmine, and ylang ylang. It's a floral harmony like no other, invoking visions of a sun-dappled garden in full bloom. Slowly add it while whisking to avoid any fizzing. Next, we'll add up to 10 mists of lavender witch hazel in order to get the right consistency. A great way to test the mixture is to scoop a small amount of the bath bomb formula into your hand and squeeze it together. You want it to stick and hold its shape, like damp sand. If the mixture is too dry and powdery, add up to 2 teaspoons of water or additional mist of lavender witch hazel. Then mix well and test again. Repeat until you have the correct bath bomb consistency. Now for the magic. Place a pressed pansy face down into one side of the mold. Then scoop both sides into the mixture, pressing firmly together. It's best to have each mold overflowing, and when you press the halves together, twist to release any of the excess. Then let the bath bombs rest inside the mold for 2 minutes before removing. I like to keep going until I've filled 2 to 4 bath bombs. Allow the bath bombs to dry uncovered for 8 hours or overnight. When you pop it out, you'll have a garden in a bath bomb. They are simple to make and smell just like a walk through a flower-filled garden. Each bath bomb is like a little white canvas, showcasing the colors and details of each pressed flower. Don't you agree? Once dry, store in a container or dry place until used. Thanks so much for creating with me today. You'll find everything you need, including a bonus waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me again for more simple living inspiration.